This video I will distribute two electromotors one to another. Here is this power circuit. We use one MCB and two conductors and two bimetals. We use the load control on the board. In this part, we took three wires and connect them to the second conductors. Here is the common circuit. Here's the common circuit. We take a wire from the MCB and connect it to the load control and force control and to 11 stops. And when we connected the S2 and S3 to the starter, and we connected 13 and 14 conductors in parallel with S2 and S3. In this circuit, when the first motor was active and we activate the second motor, we want the first motor to turn off and the second activate. We can directly activate the second motor, and whenever the second motor starts, the first motor will not start again. Now we are testing on the board. These two starter S2 and S3 are used to turn on the motors, and the stop has been used. This is the first and the second conductor. When we hit S2, uh, the second conductor is activated and the first conductor is no longer activated. We hit the stop key. When we press S3, the first conductor is activated, and when we press S2, the second conductor is activated and the first conductor is deactivated. Now, no matter how many times we press S3, the first conductor does not activate. The entire circuit must be reset. If we press S2 directly and activate the second motor, the first motor will not activate anymore. This is the starting circuit one to another. Now the contact is stuck. Uh, that's why it doesn't come out. Well, first we connected a wire from MCB to 15 fast control. We connected 18 fast controls to the load control com. From normally open, we connected the load control to 11 stops. We took two branches from 12 stops to connected them to S2 and S3. The, the only difference is that we connected the second conductors for coil A1 from normally kilos. We connected the normally kilos of the second conductor to A1 of the first conductor. Stipulate that for this conductor to be activated, this normally closed contact must be closed. In this way, uh, this motor start program was one to another. Okay, in the previous video, I explained about one after the other, which is different from the previous video. The power circuit is similar to the previous video, but the common circuit is different. God willing, in the next video, we'll assemble more circuit with PLC. If you have a question, you can ask me in the comments. And thank you for watching this video.